out of vegetables and fruit, and also good ideas for thumbnails. Here's a terrible attempt. 4 more inches to the left and it might have been perfect, people. That's better. Okay, everyone stick out their arms. We're sailing into shore, people. I can't wreck another prop.
Look, they're also doing it. Oh no, maybe she's just doing it.
Hola! Let's go say hello. Pumpkin or squash and papaya. Got some boiling and look, they got an oven. Let's see what they have growing. Wow, none of this was here like a few months ago. Look at it. Everything grows so quickly. Oh, they've got, that's either pumpkin or watermelon. They're all rotting because they're sitting on the wet ground. So they need to somehow elevate it because this is all spongy. This is all wet and spongy. Not going in there. It could be children. Think about it. Well, I'm very happy for them. When I knew them, like last year, and even like a few months back, 5 months back, they were really struggling, people. And now they got all the food they want. That's great. And now they're selling it to yachties, so they're making some dollars. Good on. Good on.
Yeah?
How many you want?
¿Quiere uno? Mira.
Oh!
Well, ask him how much $2
$2 cada cabo, son $6 por todo.
Ah, $2 solo este?
Cabo, sí.
Ah, $2 only the lower part.
Yeah.
Sí.
Yeah. Okay. You want to have a look?
Usted lo hace.
Alright, we got our fruit and veg. Bloody great. Come on, little mother. You can do it. Cheat! Cheat! Alright. Here is a Cubera snapper that I haven't even seen yet. These are one of my favourite types of fish. and I miss. Let's see how much of a drongo I really am. But notice how flighty they are. It's almost like you can't take the shot when they stop and you move the gun. In fact, you don't do that. You see where they are, you see where they're pointing, and you anticipate they're going to go another metre to the right or the left, and you bring your gun to bear there. And when they do their skedaddle, you can see all their fins, all the pecks, everything like flares out and it goes. Well, as soon as they stop, hopefully your gun is in the position that's close, and then it's a quick movement and shoot. Because you can't leave it for more than a second and a half, especially in that flighty mode. Some of them are more playful and they don't do the real vicious kick. But when they're like that, don't take the shot unless you guess, and you guess right. Because otherwise, as you pull it, they're already ready to go bang, and they're going to fly past your shaft, and there's a chance that you'll hit it, nick it, and you'll hurt it, and you won't get it. Blah, blah, blah. Doesn't seem like I followed what I knew. No surprises there, really. Let's see how it all compares. There's the Cubera. I finally see it here. From that quick movement, I can already see it is in a flighty mode. So there's absolutely no point at all in aiming straight at it, and yet I do. I know, people. It's hard to get good help. He's come from the left here and moved about a metre to here. So there's a good chance that he will move this way to about here, especially since there is a big wall of coral over there. Now if we slow it down and time it from its first movement, we see this. It looks like I shoot at about 1.6 seconds. Too long a delay for Cubera. If we slow it down more, we can see it is also a clean miss. So I don't have to ban myself from spearfishing just yet. Try and miss those. That's right. It's deep enough. We're okay. Alright, now you can head to the island. Alright. Yeah. One more. Alright, good girls. Clara, what do you want to do?
I want to collect coconuts.
For the milk?
Yeah, let's
okay,
do the cocoa.
What's the best? Oh, you want to make your own, don't you?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so what's the best type of coconut? The ones that are almost, well, they're all shriveled, the grey ones.
Ah, little.
But if they're too grey, they're off.
Okay.
So it's a bit of, you don't want them too grey, okay?
Can I smell it? From
Not usually. But when you hit it with the tomahawk, you'll definitely smell it.
Okay.
If it's bad.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we're looking for grey ones. What do you think about that one?
No milk inside.
Yeah, and also it's a bit too light.
Uh-huh.
It's got to be heavier than that. Okay, so maybe one step back from this.
Okay.
If you see a kangaroo, can you hunt it down and kill it for dinner?
A kangaroo?
Yeah.
I think anyways I couldn't kill it. They're too cute.
Yeah, they are cute, but they're delicious too. And very little fat on them too. That's why people eat them.
Oh,
There's a little bit of milk?
A little bit.
Yeah, and see how it's not quite so grey? It's sort of...
Yeah.
This could be good. I mean, it could be bad, but I think it's going to be a good one.
Nice. Yeah, it's not that light neither.
Is that green?
Perfect, yeah.
And it's got a little bit of milk. This, I think, will be a winner. But that, believe it or not, might be even tastier, that one.
Ah, why?
Because it's got more time to mature and get all the milk turns into flesh.
Okay. Oh, it's so hard.
Pretend it's,
there it is.
pretend it's my head.
There it is.
Oh, right, okay. All right, give it a smell first.
That's good.
All right, so jam this in.
Oh, with the knife.
Oh, yeah, getting the knife, yeah. And do you want to just smell it again, just in case?
Still good.
Okay. It gets really stinky, people, when it goes off. It's like, I don't know if you know butyric acid. You can't get it off your hands. I mean, you can. You put petrol on and you light it, and that's how to get rid of butyric acid. It just has to naturally, all your skin wears away if it's off. All right, we got it?
Yeah, look.
Oh, baby. Yeah, excellent.
Oh.
There we go, people. Another day in paradise. I'm already down one person. I don't know where Gigi is. Somewhere over there. Perhaps. Bye, Gigi. Safety fourth. So Ben, you want to try?
What's that?
Coconut.
No.
Good?
Yeah. All right.
Like it.
As soon as I see the back on it, I know it's a better tasting coconut. Because in the past, when it's like this, it's too jelly.
Yeah.
So you'll find that this one will be better to, you know,
Yeah.
mash up and make coconut. But
More
you can try
tasty
it.
for the coconut milk.
But you try it. You tell me what you think.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Well, it tastes like coconut,
But
but
to me, it doesn't have any taste. It just
Really?
tastes like nothing.
no.
But this one, to me, has taste.
Okay, let's try.
But you know, I'm like,
Okay. No,
just so much different, isn't it?
You're right. Yeah, this
it's
one
completely different,
yeah.
isn't it? That's like nothing compared to that.
Okay, now, yeah.
Okay, now you are a coconut expert. Gigi, you want to have a taste of two different coconuts?
This is so delicious.
Okay, this is your taste test. You can tell us
Okay.
which coconut you like the best, because you know, whatever you like. So grab a little bit of this one. This one's a newer one, so a
Green,
more green one,
Okay, this is what you guys got.
and that's the milk from both. You want to try that too? So what do you think that tastes like? Does that have much taste?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, okay. I think I'm just old, people, and my taste buds have all gone to the moon.
Let's try this one. Oh, I like these two because they're more crunchy.
Yeah, that's it. So which coconut do you prefer?
I like them both because this one's a little more creamy.
Yeah.
This one's crunchy. I
Yeah,
like
okay.
the consistency.
What about the taste though? You like the taste of both?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think there's a really huge difference. For me, this one is much more intensive and
Yeah,
tastier.
yeah. And
Really?
and you
Yeah.
get way better, you know, when you smash it up in the, what do you call it? Osterizer? Blender. In the blender. That gives you much greater flavour.
I think this one has more oil in it. Is it true?
I don't know.
Maybe?
I don't know. Maybe it's been on the tree longer.
Could
I don't
also
know.
explain why it's more tasty if there's more oil.
Yeah, that would make sense.
like this one too.
All right, well, that is your one, because
Yeah.
I don't want any of it, and neither does Clara. Are you making sliced bread?
I think so.
You can eat all the little dregs and bits in the end. That's good for your, what do you call it?
For the movements.
For the movements. Yeah, that'll get them moving. If there's bits of coconut shell though, don't clench, you know,
Okay.
at the end. Could be nasty, people. It's action, people. Only on my blog, it's action. Camera, filming, another camera, action. Oh, Gigi wasn't ready and waving. Let's try that again. the Queen's Wave. Very stylish. You're welcome. You're welcome. What do you think? That's the even older one. Is that the best one?
So far.
Yeah. Yes, I know people, I suck at dancing. It's a quality vlog, it's the we suck at everything vlog, but we try. It's a lovely romantic island, people. Just me and the two girls. Hey! Where are the two girls gone, Ben? Clara?
Yeah.
Occasionally a big load of drugs is washed up on these beaches and the gooners go, woohoo! We have a field day. Like infused, like cocaine or...
Wow.
Let's say it's cocaine.
Yeah.
What would you do if you came across 20 kilograms of cocaine? What would you do? And it's worth 20 kilos, I don't know, about $1 million. What would you do?
I think I would try to give it to the police, honestly.
Yeah,
Because I didn't would like to give it to the cooners because either they would use it and I didn't want to respond to...
Be responsible for that.
Yeah, or second they would sell it and it would be black money, like it would also not be good.
Or they could go to jail, of course.
Yeah, they could
Have
go
that
to jail.
opportunity.
I could go to jail in another country, I don't know. If I would get in jail here in Panama, that would be
At least you speak Spanish.
Still.
I mean, if I you know, went to jail, I'd be trying to speak Spanish and I'd be insulting people's grandmothers accidentally. Yeah, no, I think it's very sensible.
What would you do?
Well, Ben and I were discussing about having an elaborate scheme. This is fantasy, people. We're just kidding, right? But we'd have a drone. He'd be drone man. And we'd somehow meet a drug lord and sell it back to him without getting shot in the head.
I see.
But I reckon 99% of the time, we're going to be shot in the head. It's going to be difficult.
Yeah, it's difficult.
My friend on a boat, he said, look, if you find all those drugs, it's a brand new boat. If it's like $10 million worth, you sell it for $1 million, they're going to make lots of money, so they're happy to give you the $1 million. And I go, no, they're going to go up to you and shoot you in the head and take all the drugs for free and not pay you anything.
That's what they will do.
That's what they're going to do.
Yeah.
It's better to be honest, people, and deliver it, because I know I'll end up either dead or 30 years in a Panamanian prison not speaking Spanish. Mind you, on the plus side, in 30 years I'm going to speak Spanish, surely.
Yeah.
I'll probably know all the swear words first though, and all the don't rape me please, and no, don't rape me again please. I'll know those off by heart within the first couple of days, I reckon. Yeah, I'm just going to give the drugs to the police. On second thoughts, yeah. Gigi,
Okay.
you found 20 kilos of drugs. What are you going to do?
Nothing.
That's the spirit.
Good
All
one.
right.
Good one.
So the girls are smart
Ignore it.
and the guys are stupid. But we want new boats. Not a new boat, just a better boat. But that light is at the end of a very long tunnel. See you next episode, people. All on Sailing into Freedom!